Welcome to Teaching Technology again. Today we are looking at smart contract developments. We are creating a playlist uh, for people who are interested in becoming a smart contract developers and also becoming a smart contract auditors. I believe you should know that there's no blockchain, there's no security, there's no decentralization today if there's no smart contract. Smart contract is the logic, is what powers blockchain technology, is the code that is used to build a blockchain app and all of that. And today we are going to look at the roadmap. If you are interested in becoming a smart contract developer, what are you to follow? I will link this. I will put a link attached to be attached to this video, for you to properly see this roadmap on how you can become a smart contract developer. And then in later video, we're going to be making videos on how to become a smart contract auditor. We're going to be setting the standard straight. We're going to be telling you what you need to know, or what you need to have to become a full-time or a very standard smart contract developer and a smart contract auditor. And alongside also, we'll also be teaching you on how to become a smart contract security researcher, where you can work in trade beats, you can work in securium, you can, a lot, and you can also participate in hackathons and all of that, and make tons of money out of it. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. I will link the video. Then I will put a link alongside this video where you can check this roadmap. And I'm hoping that you will properly learn and set yourself right. But I will advise in the meantime that if you want to become a smart contract developer, I will advise that you start, learning or trying to become a better person, especially in JavaScript. It's going to help you a lot. It's going to help you a lot. Then in the later video, we'll be looking at how to use Foundry, how to use hard hats, and many other options, and some projects that are available for you to. We will work on projects. We will work on projects together, and I'm hoping that you're going to really enjoy this playlist that we are creating. Thanks and have a good time. And if this is your first time, of seeing our video in teaching technology, please subscribe to this channel. And if you've been coming and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe now and share to everyone you got to know that something is happening here and we are building something that anyone who is interested in becoming a smart contract developer would love to jump in or to hop in. Stay tuned, guys. Have a good time. Bye.